Hello everyone, and check out this beautiful 3-in-1 metal bird bath for your garden. This unique piece features a feeder, a flower pot, and a spacious bathing area for birds. The built-in solar lamp glows at night to brighten your yard and guide your feathered friends. You can display vibrant blooms in the large planter, while birds enjoy the deep water basin. High-quality metal and a protective coating ensure this bird bath stays rust-proof and durable. You can easily assemble this garden piece without any extra tools for a quick setup. It is the perfect way to add natural beauty and life to your favorite outdoor spaces. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.